My name is Fernanda, and I'm in the writing program. I'm a really quiet person, so I always loved writing, and watching movies came a little bit later. I love storytelling in general. I'm really passionate about kind of teaching people lessons, not directly, but in an entertainment way. Um that's for sure my biggest passion, storytelling. Since the beginning, we've been working in a lot of projects. We have, I had a feature done, a script for a feature movie, pilot for sitcom, pilot for a drama series, as well as a lot of scenes that we wrote and filmed at the school. I'm really glad we had all this work done here. The faculty is always really helpful. We work. I had the opportunity to work with a lot of great professionals from the industry, and all of them helped me a little bit, in a way, to learn how the whole process of making a movie works. I'm in a writing program, but I always see people from production working. I had the opportunity to work with them many times. Just being on set really helps you write better and even learn about the whole process. So I like that I'm writing, but I learned a little bit of production too. I think that's a big thing about TFS. We're all working together constantly. I really enjoyed being here to start, and just being at TFS is a really good experience. People you meet here. Um, you have the opportunity to work with professionals from the industry, and at my age, this is a really good opportunity. After you become a writer, you have many options. You can become a story editor. You can work in a writing room. You can write features, pilots for a series, or even series with your writing group. There are many possibilities. The process starts with the script, so I think it's really important. Um, I heard some people say, and I really agree, that if you have a great script and a bad production, it can still be a good movie. But if you have a bad production, a bad script, and a good production, it will never be good enough. So I believe that the script is a really important part of a film, but not alone, of course, but I really believe it's really important. Writer usually works with stereotypes, and I love watching how people sometimes are characters around us, and how they say funny things, or they go through interesting stories, and it takes some time for us to notice that the stories are around us. We don't need to really invent them or create them. We just need to perceive them. I have a feature project that I'm really excited about. It's called Confessions of a Broken-Hearted Priest, and it's a comedy. It's a romantic comedy. So there's that, and I also worked with sitcom. We wrote a pitch and the first episode of our series in class, and that was really exciting because we all got feedback from the class, and that gave us a chance to make our projects better.